Miller-Jacobson with the Collaborative Space Travel and Research Team, or CSTART, and I'm here to basically tell you who we are, what we're trying to do, and how we hope to do it. So, what is CSTART? Right, is this... Okay, yeah. There we go. We're a collaborative group that's trying to be a non-governmental open source space agency. We've got members all over the world. And we're basically, well, it's kind of like an open source NASA is the idea here. Okay, it's going slower than I thought. Our principles are codified in 2 documents. We've got the social contract and the design philosophy. The social contract basically says we're trying to keep things as open as possible and, you know, not be evil or overly reckless. The design philosophy is how we hope to do all of this. We're going to value simplicity above all else, try and use off-the-shelf solutions whenever possible, and yeah. And we're a bunch of people from all over the world with all sorts of different skill sets. Currently, the organization itself is run by a group of 5 acting directors. This is kind of provisional, though. So, we're hoping to fund this in the beginning with a mixture of corporate and individual donations, sale of merchandise, sponsorships, grants, so on. As we start to acquire actual capabilities, we'll be doing selling services. Not so much the satellite launches there, or suborbital, and eventually, once we've got our orbital payloads, there's some neat stuff we could do with that. Current projects. The short-term one is the Open Hybrid Kármán Line Attempt, or OKLA. Long-term is Collaborative Lunar Landing and Research Expedition, or CLAR. OKLA is, we're trying to build a hybrid rocket which can travel across the official boundary of space. And this really isn't that difficult of a project as space projects go. This is basically so that we can figure out what we're doing, get some engineering expertise, put our names on the map, and get a bit of a funding source with suborbital payloads. Now, the really big one here is our lunar landing thing. And this is a kind of old rendering, so it doesn't quite look like that with the current design. But this will scale all the way from suborbital to lunar landings with the addition of different modules. And the end game is to put a single human on the surface of the moon and return them safely to Earth. This may look kind of crazy, but we think it's possible. You know, space isn't just for governments anymore. This is hardly an exhaustive list, but as many of you people know. But lots of companies and different groups are doing interesting stuff in and related to space, and without too much government technology. Our Friends of CSTART program is a program that gives us a formal relationship with groups that have similar philosophies and goals. Current Friends of CSTART are the Copenhagen Suborbitals and Open Luna, and we're also partnering with the One Flag in Space initiative. And we're open to more groups as they become available. Like, we're trying to get in touch with Team FredNet for the Lunar X Prize now. And if you want to help us out, we need 2 things: funding and expertise. And if you want to help us out with the expertise, we can partner with organizations, or as individuals, you can go to our site, join the forums, and figure out where you can contribute and just help out. And if you want to provide the funding, we'll accept donations, grants, whatever. You all know how it is. And yeah, together we can hopefully make this all happen. So, thanks.